When you hear term life insurance, you might think it's just for families. But if you're a business owner, it's actually one of the smartest financial decisions you can make right now. Picture this. You've built your business from scratch. You're responsible for your own future, your employees, your partners, and your family. What happens if you're suddenly not there? Running a business is like juggling flaming torches. There's always risk, and you can't afford to drop the ball. If you're suddenly out of the picture, who keeps the business running? Who pays the bills, the salaries, the rent? That's where term life insurance comes in. It's not just about protecting your family. It's about protecting your business, your team, and your legacy. Let's look at some real-world scenarios. Scenario 1. Sarah owns a bakery with 10 employees. If something happened to her, her family would inherit the business, but they don't know how to run it. With term life insurance, her family would have the funds to hire a manager, pay off business debts, and keep the bakery open while they figure out next steps. Without that safety net, her employees could lose their jobs, and her family could be left with a mountain of debt. Scenario 2. John and Mike run a tech startup together. They each own 50%. If John passes away unexpectedly, Mike could be forced to buy out John's share from his family, often at a price he can't afford. But with a term life insurance policy, the payout gives Mike the funds to buy out John's share, keeping the business stable and the partnership agreement intact. This is called a buy-sell agreement, and it's one of the most practical uses of term life insurance for business owners. Scenario 3. Maria owns a retail store and has a large business loan. If she passes away, her family could be on the hook for that debt. But with term life insurance, the policy can pay off the loan, so her family isn't left with a financial burden, and the business can keep running. These are just a few examples, but the risks are real. Without term life insurance, your business could face closure, your employees could lose their jobs, and your family could be left with debt and uncertainty. Term life insurance is a safety net for your business partners, your employees, and your loved ones. It can cover debts, keep the lights on, and help with succession planning, making sure your business survives, no matter what. And here's the best part. It's more affordable than you think. In many cases, a term life policy costs less than your daily coffee run. Unlike other policies, term life gives you the coverage you need, only for as long as you need it. No fluff, just pure protection. You choose the term, 10, 20, or 30 years, so you're not paying for coverage you don't need. Don't leave your business hanging by a thread. The risks are too high and the solution is too simple to ignore. Click the link in the description for a free quote, and hit like and subscribe for more smart money moves. Protect your business, your team, and your family. Get term life insurance today.